you hear what was going on with Katie?
Nope.
What? How did you not? Everybody is talking about it.
Because I mind my business. Hey, because I mind my business. I take pride in minding my own business. Like, I cannot get caught up in somebody else's life and start minding other people's businesses because I got too much going on in my life to keep up with somebody else's life. Like, a lot of people invest a lot of time in minding other people's business. Like, if you're not working for somewhere where you have to mind other people's business and you getting paid for it, mind your business. Now, if you're getting paid like you work for a company that you do that, then that's perfectly fine. But a lot of people invest a lot of time in minding somebody else's business. Like, they start stalking all day and everything. Now, granted, most people stalk. It's, well, no, not like that, but you know what I mean. Like, when you end up on one page and then the next page. But some people will literally spend so much time stalking and minding other people's business. Like, invest that time into applying to a job or something very important and beneficial to your life. Also, I don't like when people start minding my business and start trying to get real personal with me. Like, I'm such a private person. So do not play 21 questions with me. Just don't, because I'll answer a few questions and then after a while I will walk away. Especially when it has to do with my personal life, like family stuff or whatever. Like, please don't. Unless I get you involved into it, don't put your 2 cents in, because sometimes, yes, I don't mind listening to people and taking advice from people, but then when people are giving advice and they really don't know a situation, it frustrates the hell out of me. Like, don't mind my business, please, because I will literally get up and walk away, or I'll just sit there very quietly, or I'll just change the subject. But like I said, people just invest too much time into minding other people's business in life. Like, focus on you. Send positive vibes your way, because once you start focusing on self and not others, better things come. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. And don't forget to hit that bell. Thank you for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Goodbye.